Hi, I'm Vasilis and I'm going to talk through the second section of the Data Management Plan, DMP, Data Collection Generation. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand and complete the second section of your DMP application. Remember here that these are just suggestions of what I would write for a small gene expression study. Using this as a template can give you an idea of the granularity of content and what you would consider writing. Previously, I showed 9 sections that I'll consider in this video series, noting that not all funders ask for these to be written. I proceed here with the second section. The collection generation of the data. It is worth mentioning that this section exists only in the MRC submission format. The section consists of 2 subsections. In the first subsection, you have to provide details about any methodologies that have been followed for the collection of the data, such as how the samples are collected, what protocol has been followed for the extraction of the biological material, etc. In our example, RNA-seq experiment, we are planning to conduct RNA sequencing using an NGS facility, following protocols and best practices. Here, we could go on mentioning any accreditation received by the facility or appropriate training. We proceed to the second subsection, providing information about the data quality. The equipment that will be used by the NGS facility is routinely calibrated and serviced according to company guidelines. The RNA integrity numbers, RIN, will be generated and assessed prior to sequencing, and data generation will adhere to community-established best practices, including the generation of multiple biological replicates and repeating failed samples where sequencing and sample quality control metrics are not met. Finally, data analysis will use an established automated workflow, reducing the potential for producing errors during analysis. So here we have considered values such as RIN to assess data quality and consider provenance around robust data analysis. So that was the third installment of our RDMbites series for things to consider when writing a DMP for a grant. Please see the links mentioned as well as links to additional resources alongside this video.